Alrighty, today we got new shirts. Nice looking, right? We got a yellow one here. We got a yellow one here. A little harder to see, but it's still pretty. Still pretty. That'll be one we wear to work. Possibly. Oh, we got a green one here. Oh, that looks nice. That looks really good. That looks really good. Yellow one might not show up. I forgot. Okay. Blue one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's beautiful. So, funny story. Kind of part of this, right? A few years ago, someone had made the comment that I could tell my mother my shirt, I was wearing a red shirt and it'd be blue. Or something like that. And that my mother would believe me. What color shirt am I wearing?